Welcome to Health Solutions. Please like, share, and subscribe.
After watching this video, leave a comment and subscribe this channel. 5 bad habits that make thyroid problems worse. Statistical data issued by the American Thyroid Association reveal that over 12% American adults will develop some sort of thyroid disorder during their lifetime. Thyroid dysfunction is a serious condition that affects overall health and quality of life, including disrupted sleep, mood, metabolism, and memory. Fortunately, thyroid dysfunction can be effectively managed with careful planning and lifestyle changes. Number 1. Too much stress. According to a study, published in the journal Behavioral Brain Research, when excessive stress and a thyroid condition combine, they give symptoms such as long-term memory impairment. EverydayHealth.com explains that the reason for this is suppressed thyroid function and hormone secretion, which is already an issue in patients with a form of thyroid disease, as a result of stress. As trivial as it may seem, keeping stress at bay is crucial for proper management of thyroid dysfunction. Number 2. Smoking. According to a 1995 study, smoking increases the severity of thyroid problems mostly as a result of cyanide in tobacco smoke. The thing is, cyanide is chemical that disrupts proper thyroid function by inhibiting the gland to synthesize hormones that bond to their receptors. This can particularly affect liver health. Number 3. Soy consumption. Most health experts agree that soy should be eliminated from any diet, especially with people suffering from a thyroid condition. According to Dr. Mercola, soy contains a range of anti-thyroid components that seriously affect this gland. Some such components include goitrogens, which prevent the butterfly-shaped gland from synthesizing hormones and metabolizing iodine. And that's not all, as soy also reduces the effectiveness of different thyroid treatments. Number 4. Overconsumption of raw cruciferous vegetables. A study conducted by Oregon State University found that overconsumption of some vegetables such as cabbage and turnips disrupts thyroid function in people affected with an iodine deficiency. The thing is, these vegetables contain glucosinolates, which, once ingested, are converted to goitron, a compound that affects thyroid hormone secretion. Number 5. Not following doctor's advice. Hectic lifestyle often leaves us with little time to see a healthcare provider and discuss our issues. But, if thyroid dysfunction is left untreated, it can lead to serious health complications. A registered naturopath or dietitian can review your condition on a personal basis and give valuable recommendations for improvement. Watch the video below for more information on how to effectively manage your thyroid dysfunction. For more information, please see the description.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.